So now, this grinder Milwaukee, which I took it apart because of the switch. I mean, it's a Makita. It's a Makita. Red, usually they're green, I thought. This is, I took it apart. The switch was sticking. Wasn't turning off. The switch is worked by like an arm that comes down here. It's down in here, and the arm goes back and forth and works it. But I got it to work, and I worked it about 100 times, 105 times, and it seems like it works. I got to get it back in there, put this back together. And while I had it apart, I noticed that the grease is not doing nothing because it's hard. It's just pushed away from the gears and all. So I'll try to get some grease on this stuff when I put it back together. Brushes are a little low. Try to find some brushes and grease these bearings. And they're dry. There's nothing in them. So when I got it apart, I might as well grease them. Put some grease on this gear. And put it back together. Hopefully it'd be alright. Being that I got it real cheap at a yard sale. That's what it looks like inside. If I have to work on it anymore or whatever, I'll take me a closer picture of it. Yeah. Thanks for playing along and thanks for coming on the show. Okay, take care. Anyway, that'll be it. Okay, how was that? Is that all right? Yeah, all right. See ya.